So now we have a question, and the question is about John, right? So John has 9 5 upon 16 liters of paint. Right? And and he uses 4 11 upon 12 liters of paint. And the question is that how much paint has he left? Right? Now there's certain words in maths that you need to understand. Whenever we use the word left, what does it mean? What should we do? Minus, exactly. So if I say that Talha has 20 sweets and he gives 10 sweets to Moyuddin, how many sweets has he left? How many sweets are left? 10. Right? So we're going to minus. So left means minus. Right? There's certain words that we have to know. Exactly. Right? So whenever the word problem has the word left, it's usually a minus. We usually need to minus the two. So now how do we write this? How will you write this in terms of a mathematical problem? 9 whole number 5 upon 16 minus 4 whole number 11. Very good. Upon 12. Excellent. Right? This is how you're going to write it. Now what is step 1? Exactly. 16 multiplied by 9, and then we will add 5. So what is 16 multiplied by 9?
16. 9 to the 16. 16 plus 5, 21.
16 multiplied by 9.
9,
54.
Very good. 9.
14.
Very good. So 144. Right? 144 plus 5 is?
144.
Plus 5?
149.
149 upon 16. Right? You know what 16 into 10 is?
16.
What is 16 to 10? 160. So if you want to find out what is 16 into 9, what you can do is you can minus 160 by 16. What is 160 minus 16? 160 minus 10 is?
150.
150 minus 6 is?
140. 144.
Understood? This is how you can do any table of 9. Right? For example, I say that what is 15 into 9? Do this mentally. So you know 15 into 10 is 150. And if you minus 15 by 150, you will get 150 minus 15? 150 minus 50.
Answer is 145.
150 minus 10? 140. 140 minus 5?
135.
135. So 15 into 9 is 135. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay. So 149 minus 16. How will you do this? 12 into 4 is?
12.
48. Very good. Plus 11. 48 plus 11 is?
59.
Excellent. 59 upon?
12.
Now we'll have to take the LCM of these two numbers.
69. 12.
Yeah. You can if this looks very difficult, you just do the grid method. If you can do this mentally, well and good. Now okay, let's do it the other way. 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 32. 32 goes in 12.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't go in 12. 16 threes are 48. 48 goes in 12. Exactly. So I will multiply 16 by 3 because 16 threes. What is my LCM?
12. 16.
40.
48,
48.
right? Because okay, 48 is my LCM. 16 threes are 48.
16.
What number will I multiply 149 by?
3.
What number will I multiply 12 by?
40.
What number will I multiply 12 to get this?
12 4s are 48.
Excellent. What number will I multiply?
4.
149 into 3. 3 nines are?
27.
3 fours are?
36.
3 fours are?
4 are 12.
Plus 2
14. 3 1 3.
plus 1.
2.
3 threes are? 3
4.
ones are 4. 447. 447 minus 59 into 4. 4 nines are?
36.
4 fives are?
20.
Plus 3.
23. 23, 20, 36.
You understand this?
Yeah.
Now you will minus. 7 minus 6.
6, 1.
4 minus 3.
1.
4 minus 2. 211.
148.
148. Now what we'll do is we will divide. Because why will we divide? Because this is a bigger number. If this was 48 upon 211, will we divide? No. Right? If the number on top is bigger, then if the number in the numerator is bigger, we will divide. Excellent. What number comes inside?
2, 11.
What number comes outside?
48.
Okay. What number will we use here? Acha, okay. Now what you need to understand is in division, first you look at the first two numbers. So is 21 greater than 48 or lesser than 48?
Less.
Lesser. So if the number is lesser, then we'll have to use all the three numbers, right? So now we have to say in what is the closest number to 211? 48 ones are 48, 48 twos are 96, 48 threes are is 144, 48 fours are is 192. So we will use what number? 192. 192 is the closest we can get. Right? You can do this in your rough work. 3. Oh, sorry. I think I just missed. So you can do this in your rough work. 48 fours are. 4 eights are 32. 3 goes here. 4 fours are 16 plus 3.
19.
Right? So 48 fours are is
19.
192. What number comes here?
6.
1.
5.
4.
48 fours are 192, so 4 comes here. What is the remainder? नहीं कट नहीं करेंगे अभी. What is the remainder? 192 plus how much is 200? How much will you add on 192 to make 200? 8. And then how much will we go? How much do we need to add to get to 211 from 200? 11. So 8 and 11 is 8 plus 11 is 19. So the remainder is 19. Now you just tell me how you will write this.
48 whole.
What is the whole number?
4.
Very good.
And
What is the
19.
remainder?
48.
Can these be divided?
No.
No, they cannot be divided, right? So our answer, this is our answer. Have you checked?
We have not done this one.
Actually, you've not done this one. Okay, fine. Chalo, okay, fine. Khuda Hafiz.